Finance is all Maya. It's not going to do anything.
The sector has to speed up.
Investments in India looks very hot.
To answer investors how you are going to take care of multiple loans, you can simply say, oh, bureau is going to come.
Please understand that financial inclusion does not mean just opening a bank account.
So there is only one single product, weekly 50 weeks loan, but this does not match to the funds flow of the people.
Why can't we move beyond microcredit?
How do we ensure that the SHGs go beyond financial services?
If we are just growing without being conscious of the quality, I think because it's nobody else but our own borrowers will throw us out.
The only option that is open for MFIs is to go for an IPO.
Are we banking for the poor, for their development, or we are banking with the poor for our development?
जैसे पहले गरीब आदमी गांठ रखते थे जाके, और गांठ लेकर के बनियों के यहाँ दो रुपये का ब्याज का 3 रुपये का सैकड़ा ब्याज पर सोच के लेते हैं, और वो अब गांठ पर नहीं रखते हैं, और जा कर के अपना समूह में प्रस्ताव बनाया, अब बैंक से अपन पैसा निकाला, वहाँ पर ब्याज दिया। अब हम लोगों को भटकना नहीं पड़ता। जो ब्याज बनियों लेता था वो हमारे पास आने लगा, हम सबकी महिलाओं के पास बैंक में पहुँचाने लगे, वो हमारा पैसा हुआ।
हमको 2,80,000 रुपये मिले थे, तो हमारी एक जने के 25-25 हज़ार रुपये आए। तो हमने 3 महिला ने तो मतलब 9 रिक्शा खरीदे, 3, और बाकी महिला ने 2 भैंस बांधी। तो वो लोन हमने जल्दी चुका दिया, दूध बेच के मेहनत कर कुरा के नहीं जल्दी चुक गया। फिर वो चुक गया, फिर ऐसे ही ग्रुप में बात हुई, फिर भाई जिसका कच्चा घर है उसके मकान बनना चाहिए। अब पहले शराब पीते थे मोटियार, हमारा दंगो करते थे। जब जैसे अब मैं पिट रही हूँ कोई बच्चा नहीं जावा, और अब जैसे दंगो करते हो तो ये सारी महिला जाती हैं, आशीष को क्यों लड़ रहा है, तो ये तेरा क्या नुकसान कर रहे जो इसको मार रहा है, तो उसके अंदर भी दहशत घुसे थोड़ी बहुत, भाई इनमें महिलाएं भी इकट्ठो है, ये मेरे ऊपर दाब देंगे।
जितना लोन की ज़रूरत महिलाओं को है आज हमारे संगठन में, उतना पैसा हम उनको दे नहीं पाते, और इसी वजह से बनिया साहूकार जो पहले चलते थे आज उनकी जगह इन्होंने फाइनेंस कंपनी वगैरह ने ले ली है।
फायदा तो इसमें ये ग्रुप में, पर ऐसे मजबूरी में वो लेना पड़ा। ग्रुप में है इतने तक ये पैसा ना चुकेंगे, इतना तक ग्रुप में से पैसा नहीं मिलेगा। जैसे मैंने 30,000 लिया, ये चुक जाएंगे जब पैसा देंगे, और छोटा लोन पे जैसे 5 ले रखा वो चुक जाएंगे जब पैसा देंगे, ऐसे बीच में पैसा ना दें। तो मजबूरी ऐसी आ गई, एक लड़का के लिए खो बनवायो मैं 8,000 को बनवाओ खो, मतलब दुकान के लिए, तो वो पैसा मैंने ऐसे लिया मजबूरी। वो अंडा मुर्गा आमलेट ऐसी चीज़ बेचता है, किराया पे ले रखे अभी दुकान, तो मजबूरी में लिया, नहीं कोई नहीं लिया ऐसा पैसा।
एक में ग्रुप में 5 सदस्य कर लिए, पाचन में के पाचन से यूं गारंटी भरवा लिए कि भाई जो एक सदस्य ना देगी ना तो तुम चारण को भरना पड़ेगा ही। फिर वे कहें अब जैसे यहाँ पे 5 सदस्य ने भरी, अब एक सदस्य की मौत होगी, और वो मौत पे भी उस दिन वो पैसा लेके गई किस्त का, वहाँ की तो लिहाज पड़े जाने पैसा लिया 10,000, और वहाँ के घर यहाँ से कही कि भाई यहाँ 10,000 रुपये लिया और आज किस्त जारी है और किस्त भरनी है तुम्हारे को।
चार डिनोमिनेशन लोन दे रहा साहब, एक अपना और एक तकलीफ हो रहा साहब गरीब लोगों गांव में। घर में खाना नहीं है तो भी हफ्ते के दिन पैसे बंद देना।
लोग तो ये चाहते कि जहाँ से मिला हम ले लें, लेकिन बनने टाइम में वो लोग को जब प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, वो लोग नए कंपनी वाले तो ये कहते हैं कि हमारे से लोन लो और हमारे को वापस कर दो, और इनके चाहे घर में जो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स है वो लोग नहीं देखने वाले।
We should look at self-help movement as only one possible strategy, because we should not look at that as a magic bullet. So it has potential, but in many states, the SHG movement is lagging behind. So one can look at self-help groups as one possible strategy, and within that the federations of self-help groups can be considered.
What we witness is that the scope, that the potential that microfinance program has is not being fully utilized.
The requirement of the people are quite high. People's requirement are still not met, and again there are also specific varieties of people like fishermen community, weaver community, forest dwellers are there, and they require a kind of a loan, not very standardized loan, but also kind of different kinds of loans suiting to their own livelihood, to their cycle of the funds flow, but that is not happening. Only standardized loans are happening. So there is a huge gap which is remaining, like housing loan, sanitation loan, which essentially we have started.
Right now there is a disconnect between financial capital investment and real sector change. We need to be mindful of the fact that if all you are doing is financing a large number of petty trading activities, you may get your repayment, and even the borrowers may have the feeling that they have got some incremental income, but actually there has been not significant enhancement in the economy. We need to translate that financial capital into real changes out there.
The issue of financial inclusion, whatever we see now, the magnitude of the problem is so huge. The kind of people who are outside the financial services are so large that this requires a all-out effort by all possible actors. Today, banks reaching the people or people reaching the bank is not the answer. The answer is you need a concerted effort by all possible players to come together and synergize to ensure that financial inclusion is a possibility. From now and by 2015, we are able to achieve some substantive progress in this.
To me, financial inclusion is like, because offering them credit and also offering them insurance, offering them saving services, and also like several other non-financial services, like because which go very well with financial services.
You have to look at the life cycle needs of this, financial needs of those people, because they need different, the financial needs are different, like their consumption needs, like they're spending on festivals, they're spending on marriages. There's also productive need that they want to expand the businesses, they want to build their assets in the businesses. They also have emergency needs like sickness and accidents. During that they need insurance. So it should be a combination of services. It's insurance, saving, credit, remittances, which is really helping them to come out of poverty.
आम सिस्टम प्राय लोक को भल लगे कारण आम गोटे परिवार इंश्योरेंस कवर करूँ। इंश्योरेंस हूँ मुख्य जिनस जो गोटे बीमाभुक्त परिवार प्राय अलग कौन कंपानी करूना किंतु आम प्रति बीमा संपत्ति जीवन एवं स्वास्थ्य तीनोटी जाक बीमा कवर कलापर से ऋण दियो।
There are a few challenges. The first challenge I should say is managing the growth itself. We have to recruit staff members, train them, build up the value system and see that they manage the operations as we have managed all these years.
Information management, scaling up, the gender dimension and understanding of that, vicissitudes of weather. One monsoon fails and somebody you've lent to does not pay. Rate of interest, which should be accessible. All of this is to be rolled into one new area, new challenges, new frontier.
India growth story requires the building and development of a financial ecosystem and a society which is inclusive.
The 40,000 crores of NREGA money that eventually goes to rural India should really become water storage structures, dams, percolation tanks, should become regenerated forests, regenerated pastures.
The farmer suicide is happening today in a large scale in the country. I am sure one of the reasons is indebtedness, and in that indebtedness framework, microfinance institutions, local microcredit organizations, even self-help groups, if they are contributing directly or indirectly to that indebtedness, I think we are going backward. And this is something which needs to be really reflected within the sector.
There is also a need for some kind of a code of conduct, so that ultimately, each poor individual is getting access to services at a reasonable rate of interest, at a reasonable price, and those services help them to build their businesses and build their livelihood activities.
But a microfinance bill is not for a license. Microfinance bill should be for the sector, for the services. Those are serving to the poor as a financial product. So all should become under one bill, and it's very necessary on that.
I think there is a need to have a bill, and I think there is a need to have a regulator because so that there is orderly growth of microfinance. They have an institution to look forward for support, for guidance, and also for regulation.
The microfinance bill will allow us to build a supervisory infrastructure, oversight infrastructure, and a knowledge infrastructure on the lives of 350 million people, which will be 37% of this population. And that itself is a good enough reason for the microfinance bill to go forward.
चार डिनोमिनेशन लोन दे रहा साहब, एक अपना और एक तकलीफ हो रहा साहब गरीब लोगों को गांव में। घर में खाना नहीं है तो भी हफ्ते के दिन पैसे बंद देना।
एक में ग्रुप में 5 सदस्य कर लिए, पाचन से यूं गारंटी भरवा लिए कि भाई जो एक सदस्य ना देगी ना तो तुम चारण को भरना पड़ेगा ही। फिर वे कहें अब जैसे यहाँ पे 5 सदस्य ने भरी, अब एक सदस्य की मौत होगी, अब वो मौत पे भी उस दिन वो पैसा लेके गई किस्त का। वे सदस्य 4 सदस्य से कही कि जो तुम ना लेकर आओगी तो फिर तुम्हारे को चारण को भरना पड़ेगा वहाँ का लोन, या तो फिर तुम 4 लेकर आओ और फिर नहीं तो उनका घर यहाँ से लेकर आओ उन पैसा।
फायदा तो इसमें ये ग्रुप में, पर ऐसे मजबूरी में वो लेना पड़ा। ग्रुप में है इतने तक ये पैसा ना चुकाएंगे, इतना तक ग्रुप में से पैसा नहीं मिलेगा। जैसे मैंने 30,000 लिया, ये चुक जाएंगे जब पैसा देंगे। और छोटा लोन पे जैसे 5 ले रखा हूँ वो चुक जाएंगे जब पैसा देगी, ऐसे बीच में पैसा ना देना। तो मजबूरी से आ गई, एक लड़का के लिए खो को बनवायो, 8,000 को बनवाओ खो को, मतलब दुकान के लिए। तो वो पैसा मैंने ऐसे लिया मजबूरी, वो अंडा मुर्गा आमलेट ऐसी चीज़ बेचता है, किराया पे ले रखे अपनी दुकान, तो मजबूरी में लिया, नहीं कोई नहीं लिया ऐसा पैसा।
जितना लोन की ज़रूरत महिलाओं को है आज हमारे संगठन में, उतना पैसा हम उनको दे नहीं पाते, और इसी वजह से बनिया साहूकार जो पहले चलते थे आज उनकी जगह इन्होंने फाइनेंस कंपनी वगैरह ने ले ली है। तो ये लोग आज अगर हम इतना टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद इस स्थिति तक लेके आए हैं, तो वही स्थिति फिर दोबारा अगर हो जाएगी तो उस काम का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा।
Are we banking for the poor for their development, or we are banking with the poor for our development?
Because of non-banking finance company coming in big way, many of the self-help groups are being converted into joint liability groups, and often the joint and the liability in the group, none of them is there, that also is happening. So that is a concern that the social capital is getting lost. Once which is built over hard work is getting lost because of higher tires coming up.
I don't really consider that as a religious problem, particularly Kolar. Kolar is a financial problem. So it was so unfortunate that we were not able to really help out them like when they really needed us. So I think like we need to really get back to all our borrowers saying that like, because please excuse us. We were insensitive to your needs, like because we were still collecting money during those 3 weeks time when you didn't have money. That has really created lots of pressure on them, and because of which like because they approached the religious leaders.
The farmer suicide is happening today in a large scale in the country. I'm sure one of the reason is indebtedness, and in that indebtedness framework, microfinance institutions, local microcredit organizations, even self-help groups, if they are contributing directly or indirectly to that indebtedness, I think we are going backward, and this is something which needs to be really reflected within the sector.
We need to be mindful of the fact that if all you're doing is financing a large number of petty trading activities, you may get your repayments, and even the borrowers may have the feeling that they've got some incremental income, but actually there's been not significant enhancement in the economy. We need to translate that financial capital into real changes out there. So the 40,000 crores of NREGA money that eventually goes to rural India should really become water storage structures, dams, percolation tanks, should become regenerated forests, regenerated pastures.
हमने शुरू में लोन लिया था 2,59,000 का, इसमें से 10 सदस्य हैं और 10 ने अलग अलग काम किया। 25-25 हज़ार रुपये एक ने लिए, एक ने 25-25 हज़ार रुपये। मैंने 2 भैंस खरीदी थी और 7 जनियों ने भैंस खरीदी थी 2-2, और बाकी 3 लोगों ने दुकान लगाई, चक्की लगाई, एक साइकिल की दुकान खोली थी, परचूनी की दुकान।
We should not forget that we are completely focusing on poverty reduction and empowerment of the poorer households.
Building on the foundation of self-help groups which are strong and vibrant, can there be other organizations come up for livelihood promotion? Maybe producer companies, maybe commodity cooperatives, and those are promoted by the self-help groups, could be one way of looking at it. And if you want to look at other services, my own understanding and experience is that these require different types of organizations, and it cannot be that the SAGs and federations become all things to all people.
The requirement of the people are quite high. People's requirements are still not met, and again there are also specific varieties of people like fishermen community, weaver community, forest dwellers are there, and they require a kind of a loan, not very standardized loan, but also kind of different kinds of loans suiting to their own livelihood, to their cycle of the funds flow, but that is not happening. Only standardized loans are happening. So there is a huge gap which is remaining.
हमको जब भी ऐसा बड़े काम के लिए ज़रूरत पड़ती लोन के लिए पैसा, जब हम 4 मेंबर मिलके लगाते हैं तो 2 लाख 3 लाख का ऐसा बड़ी रकम दरकार होती। उस हिसाब से हमको फौरी हम रोशन विकास से एक एप्लीकेशन देते, उसमें वो लोग हमको पास करके 8 या 15 दिन के अंदर लोन पैसे मिल जाते। फैब इंडिया है 3000 कुर्तों का ऑर्डर, तब उसमें ज़्यादा पैसों की लागत ज़रूरत रहती तो हम रोशन विकास की मदद लेते हैं।
रोशन विकास में जितना लोग को ज़रूरत है हम उतना नहीं उनको फिलफिल नहीं मतलब उनको नहीं दे सक रहे, क्योंकि हमारे पास फंड्स नहीं होने की वजह से, और हमारे को बाहर से जो भी बैंक्स वगैरह है जो हमको लोन देना चाहिए वो लोग टाइम पे लोन नहीं देने की वजह से हम लोग तो कोशिश कर रहे कि उनको जो भी ज़रूरत है पूरी हो सके, लेकिन हमारे को दूसरी जगह से बैंक से वगैरह से नहीं मिलने की वजह से हम ये लोग तक नहीं पहुंचा सकते।
You see, currently we have only standardized products as weekly loans, 50-week loans, and amount is starts with 7,000 to 10,000 rupees. But this does not match to the requirement of the cash flow of the people, because people require loans not only for the small business but also for the livelihood activities, dairy products, for agricultural activities and many other activities which does not fetch income within a week. So this may require 1 month time, this may require 3 months time. So there should be customized product not only to address the weekly things but also to address the monthly and quarterly things.
दाहिने हाथ की मध्य उंगली, दाहिने हाथ की तर्जनी उंगली। प्लीज कैप्चर यूजर वॉइस, यूजर वॉइस, यूजर वॉइस, यूजर वॉइस।
छोटी भी है मेरा नाम। इस मशीन को इस्तेमाल करने में मेंबर मीटिंग के रोज़ ही पूरे सारे मेंबर्स प्रेजेंट नहीं रहते, इसको बार बार जाना पड़ता हमारे को, तो दूसरे मीटिंग पे अफेक्ट होता हमारे को, जहाँ पे दूसरी मीटिंग दूसरे रोज़ दूसरी मीटिंग हमारे शेड्यूल रहती है तो वो मीटिंग पे फिर अफेक्ट होता। हम यहाँ पर काम बार बार ये ग्रुप में जाएंगे तो हमारा काम दूसरा काम नहीं हो पाता।
मोबाइल रिकवरी कंपनी हमारा एक मोबाइल रिकवरी मोबाइल देते, उसमें कंपनी का डाटा पूरा रहता और वो मोबाइल सिर्फ रिकवरी करने के लिए उसमें सॉफ्टवेयर रहता, वो सॉफ्टवेयर हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं अभी, उसमें कस्टमर का डिटेल्स पूरा रहता।
Well, you know, one of the things, as you know, for the last 10 years which has bothered me is the issue of interest rates in microfinance. And I can tell you that I have tried every technology that has hit the market, and I've found that it doesn't reduce operating expenses and it only enhances capital expenses.
To me, like the take on technologies, it should enable us to offer customized loan product, a range of products, like a basket of products to our clients, from which like she can choose a right product that suits to her the best. It is good to have a bureau, but again there are many questions around. Maybe like because to answer investors how you are going to take care of multiple loans, you can simply say, oh, bureau is going to come. In that way, like because it will be useful, but practically, like because every village is a bureau, like because you don't have to depend upon any bureau. If you are the borrower, if I go to your neighbor, the neighbor will tell the whole story about you.
You know, this sector, which is more or less addressing the needs of the informal segment of our population, by sheer number, I think we have to think of a technology which is not a centralized technology. We have to think of decentralized technologies. It's not a technology to help private banks or the funders. It's a technology which should be geared to address the issue of speed in delivering the resources, the needed money, and it's supposed to streamline the system so that the time is minimal, and it's supposed also to create a database so that appropriate due diligence can be done. So I think we have to really carefully navigate between a centralized what you call information system to a more decentralized local information system.
Well, we should work towards reducing overall transaction costs. We need to use the same distribution channel to provide multiple services. Right now it's primarily credit. We should use the same channels to also provide saving services, insurance services, remittances, government payments, eventually pensions, all of that. Because that will then cut down the transaction overhead that is loaded onto each transaction.